Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an office and beauty room decor haul. If you're new, I'd love for you to join the fam, so hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so that way you stay notified of when I upload. If you're not familiar with the store Five Below, it's basically like a dollar store, but literally everything is $5 and less, hence hence the name Five Below. I really love that store. It's a I cannot enunciate today. It's a kryptonite of mine. I usually try to find things for Savannah, decorating, or some like little DIY projects or something like that. Or I also like to look at their shoes and their athletic section. Sometimes they have cute dresses and stuff, and I'll even take a look at their makeup because they do carry City Color Cosmetics, which I love them so much. They're so good and they're super affordable. I've been trying to figure out the theme that I wanted for my beauty space slash office, and it's very, very tiny. Like literally on the other side is Shane's side, which is just a desk and the iMac that's sitting on it, and that's basically it. So I have this little space back here, and literally there's a wall right here. So I wanted to try to find some things to try to go with my vibes, something that I can put up on these white walls to kind of bring color and inspiration. I found a few things, and I decided on the theme that I'm still obsessed with: succulents and cactus. So that's what I'm going to go with. I found this bra. And you guys know I cannot say no to camo, so it's a cute little sports bra like this. I love it, and that's the back of it. But it's so cute. Also, you know what? Five Below has started selling their products online, because I think at first you had to buy them in bulk, and some products you do have to buy in bulk, but some you could just like add to your cart. I don't know what the shipping fee is and stuff like that, or if they ship international, but I think so far right now, I'm going to assume they're just US, but I'm going to go ahead and link some of this stuff if it's still available on their website to purchase individually. And this mug right here, they have another style, but I couldn't find it because I followed them on Instagram and they showed this one and a different one, and I couldn't find that other one, so I just went ahead and got this one. So the next thing in here, I got these little fairy lights, and they're just called Starry Lights in warm white. I just wanted to get a new set to kind of replace this one back here. I've been turning them on just for like, you know, mood purposes or whatever you want to call it, because I don't want to burn a candle in here, and I don't want to put any type of like wax burner or wax melter or whatever type thing. So I rather use fairy lights in a like glass container. So I wanted to replace the orange ones that are back here and put these warm white ones, and you know, just kind of change it up, because I usually like using these for like the fall time, and then they kind of just stayed there. The next thing in here I got is this wall art. They had some other ones, and it's just a canvas wall art. They had other ones that were along the vibes of like cactus and succulents, but I didn't really like them because they came off as too cartoonish, and this was more of realistic. Like this actually looks like a picture on a canvas of actual succulents versus something painted or something very cartoon-like. So I got this one, and it says Wander, because I don't know, I just love stuff like this. It kind of just, I don't know, the vibes of succulents and cactus and those like boho chic vibes. I'm totally into that. And then the last thing, it's not from Five Below, but I forgot to include it in one of my hauls, and it was whenever Shane's mom and his grandma were in town, and we went to Marshall's. Yes. Yeah, we went to Marshall's, and I think I hauled that stuff. I don't know if I did or if I ended up not uploading the video, but anyways, I forgot that I had, Shane found me a new letter S, which I've had this S forever, and I found it at Ross for like $4.99, I think. So I've been wanting to kind of replace it, and so Shane found me this one, and I absolutely love it. It's so huge, and it's just neutral versus that one's black and gold, and this one is brown and gold. I love it. It literally goes with everything. I guess either way, right? S, S. So whichever way I want it, you know. but it looks better this way. It's not hollow, it's solid wood. It's not really heavy. This guy is gonna be put to rest for a little while. Or maybe I'll whip it back out like once it gets more towards like Christmas or something, because this kind of gives me like more Christmas vibes. But anyways, you guys know I'm obsessed with gold, and it goes perfect with the boho chic and the succulents and cactus and all that stuff. I'm gonna do a room tour soon, but it's just that my beauty space, office, whatever you want to call this room, my office I guess, it's just always a hot mess and it's never organized. So the one day that I do have it organized, I will do a official like beauty room tour. I did do like a sneak peek office tour, and I'll link it up here in case you're wanting to watch that. It's whenever we first moved into this house, so there was really nothing in here, I don't think, or I can't even remember what I had in this room. Maybe it was a different desk or something, because I went through several pieces of furniture to try to get what I envisioned in my mind into this room. So it took a lot of money, a lot of returns, and multiple IKEA trips, which sucked, and putting things together and taking them apart, and it was just a headache. But I'm so glad I finally figured out, and I finally found something that I like, basically made my vision come true and what I wanted in my beauty space. I'll try to link this stuff down below if you're interested. Be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and have a blessed day. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.